Let's manifest some money. Why not? In this meditation, we are going to be programming into the subconscious mind exactly what we want to be receiving. We're going to be programming in money abundance. We are going to be creating it and becoming it to receiving it. So what we're doing is right now you're currently programmed into the current, money beliefs that you are anchored into around experiences that you've had in your life. And so the only way to change that is to create out these new neural pathways and then anchoring into them. And so that's what we're doing in this meditation is we are anchoring into these new beliefs around money so that we can really create from this place, so that we can receive from this place, so that we can believe from this place. Remember, if you believe it, that will be what you create. Your beliefs are your only limits. So how do you change what's going on in here so that you can create something different, so that you can receive something different, so you can experience something different? I say it over and over and over again. The more you feel it, the more you become it. So really, really feeling it as you breathe it in and you breathe it out. If you don't know what that feels like, right? Let's say you're trying to call in abundance and you're feeling abundant and you can't think of what abundance feels like attached to this experience. Well, you have felt abundant at some point in your life. So remembering that experience and what it felt like to be abundant, and now feel abundant and attach it to this experience that I'm taking you through in this meditation and really creating and anchoring into that. So incredibly powerful. I'm excited for you guys to do this. The more you do it, the more you anchor into it. So do this meditation over and over and over again. If you are loving these meditations, I would be so grateful if you could pause this video right now and subscribe to my channel, like or comment on the video, and go ahead and get ready for the meditation, preparing yourself however you need, sitting up, lying down, get really comfortable and turn off any distractions. And let's go ahead and begin. Break free, experience transformation. Prepare to manifest money. Money is an energy. When you breathe in, you will breathe in the statement of inspiration. With every inhale and exhale, repeating the statement in your mind and really feeling it. With every inhale and exhale, becoming it. Remember, the more you feel it, the more you become it. I am a money magnet. Breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your mouth. I am a money magnet. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Breathe all the way in, all the way in. Breathe it all the way in and hold your breath, squeezing everything nice and tight. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I am a money magnet. Hold. Exhaling the air out fully and completely, and then holding your breath again. I am a money magnet. Relax into that. Feel the pulsations in your body.
Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. I am living in financial freedom. Breathe in, breathe out. I am living in financial freedom. Breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in, breathe out. In, out, 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 in, out. Breathe it all the way in, all the way in. Hold your breath at the top. Hold. I am living in complete financial freedom, and it feels so good. Exhaling the air out fully and completely, and holding your breath again, relaxing into it. I am living in financial freedom. Feel that pulse through your body. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. I am worthy of money abundance. Breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your mouth. I am worthy of money abundance. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Breathe it all the way in, all the way in. Hold your breath at the top. I am worthy of all the money that is and will pour in with abundance. Really see it and feel it. Exhaling and holding your breath again. I am worthy of money abundance. Feel the pulsations in your body. Feel it. Breathe in, breathe out. Money flows to me. Breathe it in, breathe it out. Money flows to me. Breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Breathe all the way in, all the way in. Hold it at the top. Hold everything nice and tight. My bank account overflows with money. Money is an energy and it flows to me. Visualize that. Exhaling the air out. Exhale the air out and then hold your breath again. Money flows to me. Feel the pulsations and energy in your body of money flowing to you. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Feeling as the money magnet that you are. And it feels so good.